Hello, boys and girls. Today we'll be talking about fractions. This is the part 1 video. In today's lesson, you will learn about fraction vocabulary, parts of a set, how to read a fraction, types of fractions, and we will go over some task cards and online manipulatives. Let's get started. What is a fraction? A fraction is a part of a whole. How do I show that in a circle of a whole? For example, 2/4. 2 is the part, 4 is the whole. There are 2 pieces shaded in, and there are 4 pieces all together. Think of it like a slice of pizza. I ate 2 slices out of the 4 slices. Fraction vocabulary. The fraction 1/4. 1 is the numerator. The numerator is the top number in a fraction. It tells us how many pieces are shaded in. In this example, we have 1 shaded in. And the total pieces are 4ths. The 4 is called the denominator, the bottom number in a fraction. It tells us how many pieces there are all together. In this example, we have 4 total pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's look at an example. Mrs. Munir ate 1 piece of cake. The cake was cut into 6 pieces. What fraction of the cake did Mrs. Munir eat? The answer is 1/6. She had 1 piece of cake, and the cake was cut into 6 pieces all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the answer is 1/6. And this is how we write it. Parts of a set. What fraction of the circles are purple? The answer is 2/6. 2 is the purple circles. The 6 is the total number of circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What fraction of the squares are blue? The answer is 1/4. There is 1 blue square. The 1 is how many blue squares? The 4 is the total number of squares, which is 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's try another example. What fraction of the hearts are yellow? The answer is 4/10. There are 4 yellow hearts. 1, 2, 3, 4. And there's a total of 10 hearts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How to read a fraction. The rules to read a fraction. Use cardinal numbers to read the numerators, the top number. Examples are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, etc. Use ordinal numbers to read the denominators, which is the bottom number. Example, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, etc. Here is a mini anchor chart for you if you need help in the cardinal numbers from 1 through 20, and the ordinal numbers from 1 through 20. Number 2, usually we say second, but in fraction language, we would say half. So not 1 second, but we would say 1 half. Here are some examples. 1 half is written as 1 half. 2/3, 2 thirds with the S at the end because it's more than 1. The next one is 3/4 with an S at the end as well. Next one is 1/5, and the last one is 5/8. Here is a mini anchor chart. If the numerator is 1, you say 1/4, 1/4. If the numerator is more than 1, in this example it's 3, then you add the S and say 3/4. Let's try another example. 1/5, 1/5. And if it's more than 1, it's 4/5, 4/5. Types of fractions. We're going to go ahead and look at the 3 types of fractions. Proper fractions. The numerator is smaller than the denominator. You'll be seeing a lot of proper fractions in these upcoming weeks. Improper fraction. The numerator is bigger than the denominator. So, you see, 5/4. The 5 is bigger. And finally, you'll see the mixed number fraction, in which you have a whole number and a proper fraction together. Now it's time to play with some fraction tools. The first tool we're going to play with is the DDAX fraction tiles. Click on the first option and click on fraction tiles and number line. This tool helps us visualize and compare the different fractions. Take a look. The next tool we're going to play with is the Fraction Bars Toy Theater. Click on the fraction bars. And let's go ahead and visualize all of the different fractions. Now it's time for some fraction task cards. Have fun. Thank you so much for watching and have a wonderful day.